Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Everything Online. I am your instructor Sharvari Joshi and you are welcome in my math segment. So today we are going to learn a different formula, a very new formula in our chapter 5 of intermediate level. The formula is very interesting and easy to use. So let's see what is it.
The new formula. The formula is made from the combination of the other two formulas that we have learned before. Let's understand how the formula works. We know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Therefore, the new formula is a square is equal to a plus b into a minus b plus b square. Suppose we are asked to find the square of a number. Let us call this number a. Now in this case we will use another b in such a way that either a plus b or a minus b can be easily squared. Let's find the square of the number 72. In this case, the value of a is 72. Now we know that a square is equal to a plus b into a minus b plus b square. After substituting the value of a as 72, we can write the above formula as 72 square, that is a square, is equal to a plus b, that is 72 plus b, into a minus b, that is 72 minus b, plus b square. But this formula cannot be solved. We have to substitute the value of b in order to solve this equation. Without the value of b, this equation cannot be solved. Now, we have to substitute the value of b with such a number that the whole equation becomes easy to solve. Let's suppose and take the value of b as number 2. Then the equation becomes a square, that is 72 square, is equal to a plus b 72 plus 2 into a minus b 72 minus 2 plus b square plus 2 square. Therefore, it is 74, 72 plus 2 into 72 minus 2, that is 70 plus 4. In this case, we can multiply 74 by 70 and add 4 to it. However, if one finds multiplying 74 by 70 difficult, we can simplify it still further. First, we multiply 70 by 70 and then multiply 70 by 4 and add both of them. Let us continue the example given below. Now, how do we get the final answer? So, 70 into 70 plus 4 into 70 plus 4. So that is 4900 plus 280 plus 4. So we get a complete answer as 5184. So we know that the square of 72 is 5184. In this example, we have taken the value of b as 2. Because of this, the value of a minus b became as 70 and the multiplication procedure became easy as the number was ending with a 0. Wasn't this easy to solve?
So did you find this video helpful? Solve this kind of sums and share this video with all your friends. Do comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also turn on the bell icon. Bye bye.